Today, we're diving into an incredibly useful feature in Power BI, Drillthrough. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced Power BI user, understanding Drillthrough can take your reporting skills to the next level. So let's get started. Drillthrough in Power BI is a powerful feature that allows users to navigate from a summary view to a detailed view within a report. It provides a way to explore data at different granularities by enabling users to right-click on a data point and drill through to another report page with more specific details. This feature is a game changer for creating interactive and insightful reports. First, let's break down how Drillthrough works in Power BI. Number 1. Set up a Drillthrough page. Create a dedicated report page in Power BI with detailed visuals and information that you want to display when users drill through. Number 2. Add drill-through fields. Drag specific fields into the drill-through section to define which data context will trigger the drill-through. This setup helps filter the detailed page based on the selected data in the summary view. Number 3. Navigate between pages. When viewing the report, right-clicking on a visual with the relevant data offers the option to drill through to the detailed page. This smooth navigation enhances the data exploration experience. Let's look at some practical use cases where drill-through can add immense value. Number 1. Customer insights. From a sales summary dashboard, drill through to view specific purchase history and demographic data of a particular customer. This helps sales teams personalize their strategies. Number 2. Product performance. In a sales performance report, drill through from a product category to see detailed metrics of individual products. This can guide inventory and marketing decisions. Number 3. Financial analysis. From a high-level financial summary, drill through to view transaction-level data or department-specific expenses. Ideal for finance teams that need granular insights. Number 4. Operational monitoring. In manufacturing analytics, drill through from an overview of machine performance to detailed logs and maintenance records. This assists operations teams in proactive maintenance. Number 5. HR reporting. From employee headcount summary, drill through to analyze specific departments, employee roles, or performance metrics. A valuable tool for HR analytics. And that's it. Drill through in Power BI is a must-know feature if you want to create dynamic and insightful reports. It not only enhances the interactivity of your dashboards, but also provides deeper insights with just a few clicks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Power BI tips and tutorials. Also, if you want to ask anything about Power BI and talk to me, click the link in the description.